Are you safe and comfortable way to co-sleep with your baby? Check out our top 5 best co-sleepers. These products are perfect for keeping your little one close by while you sleep. And they offer a range of features to make co-sleeping safe and easy. So let's get started with the list. List 1. Pamo Babe Bassinet Bedside Sleeper with Comfortable Mattress. The Pamo Babe Bedside Bassinet for Baby enables you to carry your baby next to your bed for feeding, changing the diaper, and playing with your baby. This portable bassinet is easy to assemble without any tools. 4 silent wheels with brakes that you can move the bassinet room to room easily. With 2 fastening straps provided, you can attach or remove from parent's bed easily using them. 6 height positions to suit parent's bed. Easy open side panel for bedside mode. 2 side mesh design makes more breathable and visible room. Provides better sleep to you and your baby. You can attach or remove from parent's bed easily using the 2 fastening straps provided. This portable bassinet is easy to assemble without any tools. Suitable for baby from birth to 6 months. Holds up to 19.8 pounds. List number Arms Reach Cambria Co-Sleeper. Arms Reach Cambria Co-Sleeper is the baby bassinet you've been dreaming of. With its 2 modes, side-to-side sleeper and freestanding baby bassinet. This co-sleeper puts you in control of the crib bedtime routine. Using our patented nylon attachment strap and plate, it can be transitioned from bassinet to co-sleeper without damaging your mattress. The 4 caster wheels allow you to move around with ease, so there's no need for a crib frame or other bulky furniture in your nursery. Arms Reach Cambria Co-Sleeper includes everything you need to get started, like a fitted sheet and mattress, so it's ready to go when baby arrives. It has a detachable side panel that folds down, so you can easily access your baby at night without having to reposition it or take it off entirely. You won't have to worry about potential issues with pacifiers and toys that may prevent them from sleeping well either, because the fabric allows airflow. List number Arms Reach Ideal Easy 3-in-1 Co-Sleeper. The Arms Reach Ideal Easy Co-Sleeper is a wonderful choice for your little one. The removable and adjustable side panel allows easy access for feeding or snuggling baby at night. And the bassinet detaches from the main crib for traveling convenience. This co-sleeper for baby includes a mattress, fitted sheet, and nylon strap for secure hold. The detachable and adjustable side panel allows easy access for feeding or snuggling baby at night. The bassinet for baby includes a carry case for travel and side pockets for things like baby accessories and essentials. The sleeper is a premium safe sleep system for babies up to 12 pounds that provide maximum visibility of baby at all times, with breathable mesh sides. Also includes a detachable bassinet to care for your little one through the night, and foldable bassinet for travel and campouts. List number 4. Arms Reach the Versatile Co-Sleeper for Baby. The Arms Reach the Versatile Co-Sleeper will help you sleep soundly, knowing that your baby is in a safe and comfortable space. This bassinet can be used on hard floors or carpet, adjusting with one hand from the smallest newborn to toddler bed sizes. The adjustable feet retract when using on wood or carpet for easy transition. It also has breathable mesh on all 4 sides to allow maximum visibility and ventilation for your little one. The bassinet can also sit on top of the adult mattress, making it easy to reach baby in the middle of the night. The versatile co-sleeper baby bassinet allows maximum visibility of your baby at all times, with breathable mesh on all 4 sides. Bedside Sleeper Baby Bed adjusts in 1-inch increments to fit all bed heights and can also be used on hard floors or carpet, adding a very stylish look to any bedroom. List number Arms Reach Clearview Co-Sleeper. The Arms Reach Clearview Co-Sleeper is a unique baby bassinet, transforming into a co-sleeper crib with the side panel removed. The Clearview design allows maximum visibility of your baby at all times, so you can rest assured this bassinet diapers on your new baby with breathable mesh sides. This bassinet features breathable mesh sides and a low profile design that keeps babies close to the parent, allowing maximum viewing of their precious face. The detachable side panel provides easy access during feeding or cuddling at night, and the side pockets easily fit your baby accessories, essentials, and more. Built-in leg adjusters allow for a snug fit on any type of beds using Velcro straps. A caster wheelbase allows you to easily move this co-sleeper around your house, while its mattress holds up to 200 pounds with 5 FT dual wheelbase movement.